Are you looking for the curtain design ideas? Don't worry, we are here for you. In this video, I am going to show you the creative window curtains design ideas. Curtains are essential for room decoration. You can use curtains for the decoration to give an elegant look to your room instantly. Along with windows and doors, you can also use stylish curtains as room dividers to use the same floor for multiple tasks. This will save you from the cost of walls and provides more space with its very slight thickness. While the curtain design would definitely add a style to your room decoration. You can also hang on walls without windows. This will make the onlooker to assume it as window and would have an impact of larger space, while the elegance and stylish curtain design would ultimately add depth and dimension of the room. In this way, these latest patterns helps you to play with the visitor's psyche and leave a long-lasting impression. Same like you can also use for kitchens, shower room in the number of ways to add value to your place. In this video, I am showing you the beautiful designs of curtains. If you enjoy it, then please hit the like button. You can also share our video with your friends and fellows. Everyone has their own choice of selecting different curtain designs. Kids like some other designs, while elders like something else. Everybody's choice will be met in the market. Here, we will explore our knowledge of few more latest curtain designs in the market. The curtain can be of different types, like pencil plate curtain design for living room, or road pocket curtain style, or eyelet curtain design, or you can say tub pot curtain styles, pinch plate curtain patterns, goblet curtain designs, box plate curtain styles, sheer curtain designs, valance curtain designs, hanging curtain styles, custom curtain patterns, transparent styles, metallic curtain design, vintage curtain pattern, multicolored curtain style, shawl curtain pattern, classic peacock curtain design, landscape curtain cloth style, and so on.